If you go to Mombasa, the gateway of this country for tourism and everything, that is the filthiest city in the world, being led by a young man. Come to Nairobi, where our parliament is, where the seat of power is. That is, Nairobi is the dirtiest city in East Africa now, currently as I'm talking. A seat of hawkers, a seat of riders, a seat of matatus, a seat of poor pavement, a city with buildings which have never seen paint, no drainage system, no traffic lights. We still have police officers on the road in Nairobi. In this age, this time of that age, when small towns like in West Africa, like Accra, Ghana, Abidjan, Lome in Togo, they have organized traffic lights like in any other developed world. Kenyans will still have traffic police officers on the roads. And these two cities, Mombasa and Nairobi, is led by young people. This is when you tell me about young people, oh, we want young people. Hopeless. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The city like Nairobi where I was born, if you look at it, it's unbelievable. And nobody is seeing that, for your information. And these people are on planes always going to Europe. I don't know what they see in small cities outside there. I think you have seen this, our city in Kisumu. This is the cleanest city in the whole country.